Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great happiness this afternoon to be present at this ceremony, which honors one of Pakistan's leading citizens, and who, for myself and my family, has also been a very dear friend. We're here to celebrate the publication of Begum Rana Liaqat Ali Khan's book of speeches delivered to countless audiences at home and abroad, and a magnificent biography of this great lady of Pakistan. Begum Liaqat's speeches illustrate the career of one of the most remarkable women of our time. The range and variety of her subject matter and the conciseness of her writing has caused me to regret that I never thought much earlier of inviting her to write my own speeches. Begum Rana's contribution to Pakistan itself is well known to you all. It was first illustrated by the tremendous sacrifice which she made so readily and spontaneously when the Qaeda-Azam called upon her late husband, Nawab Liaqat Ali Khan, in 1936 to become the General Secretary of the Muslim League. It was followed by her unceasing efforts to raise the standards of those whose support she pledged at that time to the father of the nation, when she and her husband besought the Qaid to return to India and lead the Muslims. Come at once, she said, the women will be with you. It is to the women of Pakistan that Begum Rana has devoted a life's work. Throughout her public career, as wife of Pakistan's first Prime Minister, as ambassador, as governor, and as university chancellor, she has worked continuously for the upliftment, the education, and the legal rights of the women of this country. The continuing instrument of this work has been the All Pakistan Women's Association, which she founded over 30 years ago, together with Lady Nusrat Abdullah Haroon. This institution flourishes today and has a proud record of nation building. APWA, as it is known, has established its industrial homes, colleges, and small industries. It provides work and shelter for the unemployed and destitute refugees. It has set up community centers, dispensaries, and clinics in rural areas. Above all, under Begum Rana's guidance, it has sought to give the young women of this country educational opportunities at every level by enabling them to take up vocational employment and contribute to the family income. Looking through this book of speeches, I came across one whose title immediately caught my attention: Educate a Woman and You Educate a Family. That was a sentiment voiced by my late grandfather as long ago as the founding of the Muslim League, and it is a precept which my family has encouraged ever since. I think it is a very happy coincidence, therefore, that I should be introducing these two exceptional books just 2 days before the President of Pakistan will open a new school of nursing built by the Aga Khan Hospital and Medical College Foundation. Nursing is a career for young girls which Begum Rana has championed all her life. In another of her speeches, and I note it was made as long ago as in 1951, she underlined the desperate shortage of trained nurses for this country. The enormous increase in the population of Karachi makes that message even more imperative today than it was nearly 30 years ago. Indeed, Her speeches are important for today and for tomorrow. I commend you all to read this record of a great lady's life work. It should find a place on everyone's bookshelf, as should the autobiography, and serve as an example to us all and to our children. Thank you.